My name is Ariani.
How are you feeling?
My right wrist hair when I move it out of something.
I see. When did the pain start?
About 3 days ago after sleeping and started myself with my head.
Alright, please point to the area that hurts the most.
Here on the outer side of my ears.
Okay, thank you. Elegantly check the movement of your wrist. Use three to relax your hand. Here is a bed of swelling and tendons. It seems like a mid-spine. We'll do some gentle mobilization and full compression to reduce the pain and swelling.
Alright, thank you.
Good. Now slowly move your wheels up and down, then side to side. Does it hurt?
A little bit is still better.
Okay, well, continue with some light exercise and manual therapy. Do you have any questions?
No, everything clear. Thank you.
Alright, let's begin the treatment.